Ooh. Heading outside. Just got done skating, so. Now it's time to paint something. We don't know what we're painting again, but I bought a couple new colors of paint.
Okay.
So let's see what we can do. Ooh, gold Montana black, brand new. Ooh. All right. Going in an interesting direction. Wasn't sure what I was gonna do. Oh, okay. All right, hit me up. These practice canvases are going for cheap. Weird googly monster thing, so. Again, most of this one I used this array of paint, lots of iron lac, a couple gold Montanas, a couple low Cobras. Belton wasn't working. Old ass dope, doesn't work at all. But that was pretty much the color lineup, mainly just reds and some orange. Turned out different. Well, hopefully you like that. I'll be posting more of these videos here soon. One tip and thing I think all artists need to do is paint the sides of your canvas. Don't let that shit be all wonky looking. You understand? Then it looks like you have something nice. Thanks for watching.